Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with Priya. In this video, we are going to solve question number 123 from exercise 11.4 of grade 9. By now, I hope you are well versed in doing the calculation. Let's solve volume of a sphere as well. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you will get the notification of the newly posted videos. Thank you. Question number 1, find the volume of a sphere whose radius is. So, volume of a sphere. First, remember question number 1, find the volume of a sphere whose radius is number 1, 7 centimeter. So here the radius is given as 7 centimeter, isn't it? So what is the formula for volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So I have to keep pi as 22 by 7, okay, into r is 7 times 7 times 7, that because it is cube, right? So 7 and 7 get cancelled by 1 times, and is there is any possibility to cancel? No, right? So 4 times 22 is 88, and 7 times 7 is 49 divided by 3. So multiply 88 times 49 and then divide by 3. So check your calculation here. So 88 times 49 is 4312 divided by 3. So I have shown the division as well. So that is nothing but 1437.3 centimeter cube. Now second division, the radius is given as 0.63 meter. I need to determine volume of a sphere. So again, always write the formula. So you will get marks for the formula as well. It is 4 by 3 pi r cube, isn't it? So it is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. R is 0.63. So if it is cubed, then I have to multiply this by itself 3 times, right? So 7 and 0.63 will cancel by zero point 0.9 times, and then 3 again I am cancelling zero point 0.9 as zero point 0.3 times. So now the remaining value has to be multiplied. So 4 times 22 is 88, and I have written other values as it is. So now you remove the decimal and multiply it normally. Okay, so I multiplied 88 times 3, which is 264. And then 264 times 63, I got the answer as 16632. Then I multiplied by 63. Now count the number of decimal digits. 1, plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit before, place the decimal point. So it is going to be 10.47816, or I can round off to one decimal digit as 10.5. Okay, then the volume unit is meter cube. So it is approximately 10.5 meter cube. Let's solve question number 2. Find the amount of water displayed by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeter. So the given diameter is 28 centimeter, which is a spherical ball. If I just put that spherical ball inside any container containing water, think of the water will be spilled outside. How much water will be displayed? It depends on the volume of a spherical ball. Okay. So radius will be diameter by 2, which is 28 by 2. That is going to be 14 centimeter. So remember, amount of water displayed is nothing but the volume of solid spherical ball. So I am going to determine the volume of sphere. Okay, that is a spherical ball. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in order to substitute the radius, I just find the radius dividing the diameter by 2, right? So radius is 14 times 14 times 14. So I can cancel 7 and 14 two times, and there is no possibility of cancelling. So multiplying 4 times 22 is 88. 88 times 2 is 176, right? Into 14 by 3. So pause my video, do the calculation and check the answer with. So you will get 34,496, and I'm going to divide by 3. So if you divide, you will get 11,498.6. If I continue my division by adding number of zeros, so I will get 666, so on. So if I want to round off to two decimal, usually we have to round off to two decimal digits, but when you are rounding off, consider the third digit. If the third digit is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the previous digit. So it is approximately equal to 11,498.67 centimeter cube. Let's move on to the second subdivision, where the diameter is given as 0.21 meter. Again, amount of water displayed is nothing but the volume of spherical ball, right? So I want the radius, so I am dividing diameter by 2, but here I will get it in decimal, so I'm just keeping as it is. Okay, so volume of spherical ball or sphere is nothing but the amount of water displaced, right? So that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So I'm going to substitute pi as 22 by 7 and r as 0.21 divided by 2. So I have to multiply this by itself 3 times, right? Because it is r cube. So 7 and 0.21 will be cancelled by, let's divide by 7. So you know the first digit will not be divisible. Before taking the next digit, there is a decimal. Take it up and bring 2 down. So again, it won't be divisible. So it's 0. And now bring 1 down. It is 3 times. Okay. So many children have the misconception and they will write it as zero point 0.3. But it is not zero point 0.3. It is 0.03. Okay. And now cancel 3 and zero point 0.03, which is 0.01 times. 2 and 4 will be cancelled by 2 times. Another 2 will also be getting cancelled. 2 and 22 will be cancelled by 11 times. So 11 into 0.01 is nothing but 0.11, right? Into 0.21 into 0.21. Now remove the decimal, multiply normally and place the decimals. So you're getting the answer as 4851, but I have to place the decimal digits. So there are 6 decimal digits. So from the right, I have only 4 digits here. So I'm moving towards left. So I have to add 2 more digits and place the decimal. So it is going to be 0.004851 and the unit is meter cube. Solve question number 3. Filter the given. The diameter of a metallic ball. So ball is a spherical shape, sphere. Okay. So it is 4.2 centimeter. So I know diameter is equal to 4.2. And what would be the radius? 4.2 divided by 2. So it can be a rounded off figure since it is a even number. So it is divided and kept as 2.1 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball? If the density of the metal is given, so I'm just writing what is the density. Density is going to be 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube, it is 8.9 gram. Mass by volume is density, isn't it? So we have learned in physics, density is mass by volume, or I can write it as mass is equal to volume into density. So in order to find the volume, I have to find the volume of spherical ball, right? So that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is 4 by 3 times 22 by 7 times r is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. So it is cancelled by zero point 0.3 times. 3 and zero point 0.3 will be cancelled by zero point 0.1 times. 4 times 22 is 88. 88 times zero point 0.1 will be 8.8, isn't it? And 2.1 times 2 point, which is nothing but 21 times 21, you will get 441. And there are two decimal digits, so it becomes 4.41. So multiply 8.8 and 4.41, you will get 38.808 centimeter cube. So this is your volume, but still I need to find the mass, right? So I have to multiply volume with density. So density is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So I have 38.808 centimeter cube as volume. So I have to find mass by multiplying volume 38.808 with 8.9. So the answer is going to be 345.39 approximately gram. Okay. So the calculation is shown here. You can check the calculation. So it is 345.39 gram. So my dear students, exercise 11.4 will be over in another two videos. So you suggest me which topic I have to take next. We'll consider that as a priority. So let's meet you all in my next video to solve question number 4 to 7 from exercise 11.4 of grade 9. Thank you.